Hello and welcome, everyone. My name is Teacher Erica from English Across the World. This is my grammar course for beginners. I would recommend this course to children ages 7 and above and adults that are just starting their English learning journey. If you are new here, make sure to check out the previous lessons in this series. Today we are going to work on a very important part of speech, verbs. What is a verb? A verb is a word that describes an action or what the subject is doing or their state of being. So remember, the subject in a sentence is the thing or person that is doing the action. This is who or what does the action. So the subject can be I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. Or it can look like a name. Erica, Anna, Beijing, London, the dog, the ball. Here are some examples of commonly used verbs. To like, to have, to go. I have a separate video where I just focus on these 3 popular verbs and how to conjugate them. And you can find a link to that video right over here. So to like and to have are more like states of being. They're not obvious physical actions. Some more examples of states of being are to want, to know, and to think. Or you have verbs that are obvious physical actions, like to go, to run, to walk, to jump, to speak, and to eat. Verbs are one of the most challenging parts of speech because we have to change these words according to who or what the subject is, or who or what is doing the action, and when they are doing it. So look out for my upcoming verb conjugation lessons, where we will learn different grammar tenses and how to conjugate these verbs in tenses like past, present, and future. And of course, be sure to download the worksheet below to practice what you have learned today. If you have any questions at all about today's material, please leave a comment below and I will be sure to respond to you. See you next time. Keep practicing.